This month marks the return to school for most school districts in the state of Texas. And for many of you in K-12 education, it's the start of another year in the journey to positively impact the lives of students. The new school year also brings with it a set of challenges, some new and some all too familiar. For some districts, an influx of students means that you'll need to quickly scale up in order to support the resources that meet the needs of students. But for many others, because of continued budget concerns, you're being forced to cut resources that are vital to how you operate. I would know. I've been one of the ones affected. Those of you left behind in HR, academics, transportation, safety, and other departments, the processes and platforms that once had the support of IT are now falling back on you. I know. It's an uphill climb when you're trying to do your primary job, but also having to build and manage and maintain the processes that were once somebody else's responsibility. Good news. At SolutioNext, we bring 50 plus years of combined K-12 experience to the table. We can work with you to maintain stability in your processes, improve what you already have, and set the stage for future development without adding headcount, and in most cases, not spending a single dime on new software, because we focus on the tools that you already own. You don't have to lose ground just because you lost resources. Contact me today, and let's talk about what we can do for you.